I am currently short in gold and USD JPY. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down. First here, starting on the daily chart on gold, you can see buy side delivery coming in here. So very bullish here on the daily. Here on the hourly chart, we can see yesterday bullish delivery, some consolidation here, and bullish delivery again. So buy side delivery here on the 1 hour chart. Now currently I'm on the 1 minute chart. We can see this buy side delivery here on the 1 minute chart, putting in higher highs, higher lows, and then here we get this shift here, this market structure shift here to the sell side, where we get price consolidating, and then we get this lower low, higher low, and now putting in a lower low. So you can see price action creating market structure shift here with buy side, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low here. And now we can see price continuing to deliver here to the sell side. My profit target is the opposing end of the range here. I had two targets, or I was going to take a 50% partial, but I've decided I'm just going to let these trades run. But my profit target is down here at the 52.6301 at the opposing end of the range here, and for a total size of 0.04 BTC on gold here. And then we'll hop over to Forex to USD JPY for a moment here. Here on the 4-hour chart, or actually this is the daily chart, and you can see sell side delivery and the new week opening gap opening below it. So looking bearish here. And then on the 1 hour chart, we can see sell side delivery, some consolidation pullback here, and then another leg lower here. Pull back and now consolidating here in this area, but higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So downtrend here. And then on the 1 minute chart, price action delivered here to the buy side, putting in a higher high, now putting in a low, higher low, and putting in a lower high, and now potentially putting in a lower low. We'll see how price responds here. But when I saw price sweep this upper range here, had me looking for a short here, or to be short bias, after buy side liquidity was swept out of the market. And I'll zoom out to the 5 minute chart for USD JPY. So for this trade, my profit target again is at the opposing end of the range. So down here at 152.275 is where I look to take profits right here. Stop loss 152.815, so above the swing high here. See here on the 1 hour chart, some wiki price action this morning. Here, so you can see some volatility in the market here. Okay. Prices definitely pulled back a time or two here. USDJPY, and looks like it's likely some pullback on gold. So just holding for 100% profit. Pros and cons. Price can get very near target and then turn around. Gold did that yesterday to the long side, but I wasn't trading this. I wasn't trading CRT yesterday, so even today, just recognizing things can turn around on me. Like already seeing here, this sell side liquidity's been swept, so price could come back here, test this level, keep going, could come down, could just keep going here, could just run. Many things could happen here, but just for consistency's sake, I'm willing to take some losses as carrying the full size from edge to edge, or from one end of the range to the opposing end of the range over the long run is going to be more profitable than taking a partial or partials along the way. So with this trading system, I want to focus on doing range traverses. So I want to just put an order in, a single entry, single exit, and if all goes well, take the trade to full take profit or take the loss. I could move my stop to break even at 50%, but I want to reduce management, so I just want to go all or nothing, just let the trade run. There are definitely plenty of positions where you take profits at a liquidity point along the way, or at 50%, and price will return to your entry, and then carry on to profit target. And obviously there are times where you can take profits or not, and price can come within a few cents of your target and turn around completely and stop you out. So for me in this exercise, I just want to practice with patience and holding, as if all goes well, then I would anticipate the account to increase and would want to build up the resilience and patience to just hold for like full moves. So this being an exercise and starting with smaller size, and see if I can build up my tolerance to single entry, single exit, all or nothing type of format. Also, switching to only trading the London Open and the New York Open as the CRT trading methodology that I'm using. After back testing, only seeing it worth using during the London kill zone and the New York AM kill zone. So instead of stretching myself out over the course of the day, trying to trade the New York PM and trade the Asian, just focus on where my setup works the best, and try to make best use of it. And if I can get anywhere between 2 to 4 trades a day, I think this would work out pretty well. And now just wanting to forward test here and get some numbers and get some data in here, and get some better understanding of what I've got trading right now. on paper. Since I understand what I'm trying to do, I want to see the results play out and then be able to analyze those, so I have an idea of what would be possible, but I don't know, or just interested in seeing the realization of the things that I think that are possible or not, or potentially even beyond. Back over to USD JPY, getting some pullback here on gold. And just had some serious pullback here on USD JPY, pulling back past the entry here. Now settling back down. As I mentioned on this 1 hour chart, USD JPY is showing some volatility this morning with these indecision doji type candles here. Took some time for USD JPY to set up fully, but now that it has, it's consolidating here high into the range. We'll see if it is able to deliver price further to the sell side with any continuation here. Less than 30 minutes remaining in the London kill zone. Approximately 26 minutes, 30 seconds. So we'll see if USD JPY can put in a new 5-minute low, either in this candle or in the next. And this candle would be great, but if it was in the next, then it would sweep a swing low, so that would possibly be even better. There's also a bullish fair value gap, which is likely why price redelivered to the buy side aggressively. So you have this bullish fair value gap or buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here, and then price is delivered down into it with this wick here, and then that sent price back up to the high end of the range and now back down here. And we'll see if price will trade back into it, and if all goes well, price will continue to deliver through this fair value gap. So now this level is a swing low. We'll see if price wants to trade through it for a break of structure here on the 5-minute chart, which would be a sign of continuation. Price consolidating here around the 152.600 level. Seeing some sell side delivery now. New swing low, or the newly formed swing low has now been taken out. Seeing some sell side delivery with some speed here. Price trading at the 152.560 level. testing the breakup structure level. 152.90. $152,600, deeper retest up to this upper level here, this previous swing here. The price pulling back and testing structure levels here on the 5-minute chart. And now back to 152.590. Consolidating here. 152.580. Some sell side delivery with speed. Price consolidating here around the 152.580 level. 152.590 pullback. 570, consolidating. I'm curious to see the percentage of trades that fail, the ones that, let's say, reach 50%, then fail, as opposed to the ones that reach full target. But mainly I'm going to be focused on full target and full loss. Just because based on the analysis that I've run, holding for full position over time is just going to yield higher profits or more gains than taking partials. It's just a matter of being resilient and patient enough to allow price action to play out as risk increases. Getting some consolidation on this candle here. Less than a minute remaining for this candle close. Showing some indecision here, and get a slightly down close candle. And let's see if there's any continuation here. Potentially a body candle close below the swing that was just traded below here in the previous 5-minute candle. Seeing some pullback and now some potential continuation here. Price having potentially put in a swing high here on the 1-hour chart, but we need this candle to close first to verify it, which would be in about 18 minutes from now. Consolidating here, trading in between the 152,620 and 152,600 levels. Back over to gold. Gold seems to have shifted price action back to the sell side here. Let's see if it is prepared to follow through and deliver to take profit here at the lower end of the range. Price here at 52.72, 52.71. Price consolidating here in the 52.71 to 52.72. 52.73.50, pulling back here. Price action here on the 5-minute, putting in fair value gaps here. This one has been traded into. This sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. This one here is still open and valid. Getting a return to sell side delivery here, 52.68. 52.66, 52.63. Very near target, within $1. Actually within a few cents. It's possible I may have gotten my order skipped here. Nope, 4 cents away from profit target. We'll see if price wants to deliver fully, as price is reacting from this level here, which is my profit target, which is the opposing end of the range. So quite a sell side delivery there on that candle, this previous 5-minute candle. We'll see with this candle here pulling back if it has any continuation. This also created a break of structure here on the 5-minute chart. Break of structure here to the sell side, and price has come back to retest that break of structure level, and ideally price would continue here to the sell side and reach take profit if all went well. Deeper pullback here. So my profit target here is 52.6301, and price came down to 52.6305. But that would just be the bid. I need the offer to reach the 63 price reacting here, still pulling back aggressively. 52.72, 52.71.20. Seeing the potential return to the sell side or possibly consolidation here. We'll see as the candle plays out. We'll look back over at USD JPY. Still struggling here to deliver price to the sell side. Price trading back at my break even. So all the unrealized currently is showing from gold. Now USD JPY pulling back and now delivering to the sell side here. Still trading around my break even level and now price delivering to the sell side. Seeing this candle set up a bit different now. It's just showing the body below here. Now, buy side delivery has that candle looking much different. Where price was looking indecisive and bearish, now price is looking like it was indecisive and is now bullish. So USD JPY struggling to choose a direction for continuation here in the London kill zone. I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to let it stop me out or go to full target. As this is quite a wide range, price may want to shake out weak hands or just take everybody out and go the other way. So we'll see what happens. My setup criteria was met, so I took the position, and we'll see how it plays out here. Both positions pulling back here or consolidating after pulling back. So with gold within 4 cents of target and USD JPY still just hanging out at the break even here. So definitely some different price action here. But if all goes well, both will deliver to the sell side to take profit. Gold currently much closer. Less than 10 minutes remaining in the current kill zone here for the London session. Seeing a return to sell side delivery here. We'll see if this return to sell side has any sustainability, as there's a new 5-minute low here in USD JPY. Looks like there's some liquidity at the top of this candle, so price may want to redeliver to the buy side to sweep that, as there's no top wick on the current 5-minute candle. Seeing further sell side delivery here, 152.650 with speed. Price trading into a bullish fair value gap right now. Here on the 5-minute, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So price could react from this level, come back to the buy side. Price could close below this level with a body candle close or a wick. Price consolidating here around the 152.650 level. Check back in on gold. Gold, having reacted off of the opposing end of the range here, has now begun to deliver to the buy side, putting in a new 5-minute high, showing a bit of sell side delivery here. There's liquidity resting below this candle, so I would anticipate price to return to it either now or later. There's also liquidity. There's sell side liquidity resting here, and there's also sell side liquidity resting here. So I'm going to anticipate price to at least deliver to here, and if all goes well, follow through here for take profit here at the opposing end of the opening price range. Price trading near the 52.7650 level, consolidating there, 52.7580. Seeing some sell side come in here, 52.7550. Price consolidating here. Looks like USD JPY may be showing some sell side delivery. Let's go over and check on that. Let's get sell side coming in here. Gold. There we go. Sell side delivery here coming in. You can see this candle shift again here. So seeing the volatility in this area here during the London session, and a new 5-minute low. So 2 5-minute lows consecutively here on USD JPY. So we'll see if there is continuation here to the sell side on both pairs. Gold potentially putting in a new 5-minute high, a second new 5-minute high, but not yet. So now this previous 5-minute candle is now serving as what could be the new swing high, but the current 5-minute candle will have to close and close lower than it, which currently right now it's 1 cent lower. So if it remains that way, then the previous 5-minute candle will serve as the new swing high, and we'll see if that swing high will allow for price delivery to the sell side. Price trading here near the 52.76 level, now 52.7520, 52.74, consolidating here. Less than 4 minutes remaining in the London kill zone. 5-minute high has been put in. Let's see. 77.35, 77.37. So new 5-minute high put in. So second candle in a row with a new 5-minute high. So still pulling back here on gold after near contact with the opposing range level. Come back over to USD JPY. Still consolidating in the same area where it put in the second consecutive 5-minute low. Now there's a clearly established swing high here that was put in on that previous pullback. And price was able to close below this bullish fair value gap, disrespecting it. So I would anticipate a higher probability of price delivering to the sell side, as those buy orders were unable to take price higher, at least for, oh no, that was a previous fair value gap. But we see price returning back into the gap here, or we see price potentially closing what would be a gap here, or creating a smaller one. This candle will need to close, and then we'll know if there's a gap here or not. And if there is a gap, price could trade into it in order to get some sell side delivery. Or price could simply rebalance and deliver to the sell side, or rebalance and deliver to the buy side. So the rebalance level has been reached here, so there won't be a fair value gap formed. So we'll see how price action wants to respond. Currently being delivered to the buy side here with speed. Less than 1 minute remaining here in the London kill zone. Price pulling back. Price back at my break-even level. So not going very far here. Price action wise on USD JPY today. So lots of pullback. But in the process of this pullback, you can see here this shift. So you can see coming in here, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So right now, bullish price action here, but this here, this sweep here, this would show the potential for price wanting to deliver here to the sell side, putting in a lower low here, or at least that's what I am anticipating from price action to deliver, which is why I would enter a position with price action seemingly shifting to the buy side here. Price trading back near the high of the range here, and then seeing some sell side delivery since then. And have another look over here at gold. See gold still pulling back here. Bit of a funky pattern here. As I mentioned, this liquidity has now been swept, but there's still liquidity right here below this candle. Price may want to deliver here. There may be some, or there is liquidity up here. I don't know if price will want to reach for it, or price may need to reach for that liquidity, buy side liquidity here, or some buy side liquidity resting in this bearish fair value gap. But I would sweep some type of liquidity in order to deliver to the sell side. It could be anything up here. As you can see, price came down here, swept this liquidity, and then delivered here to the buy side. So everything pulling back here. So we'll see if profit target is in mind at some point today, or these two positions will get stopped out. We'll see. You can see now liquidity here has been swept out. So we'll see if price wants to continue to the buy side or shift to the sell side now that that liquidity has been taken. Price action still trading at the break-even point high in the range here on USD JPY. Some potential sell side delivery here. There's a bullish fair value gap right here. See how price manages with that. Seeing some further sell side delivery here. Now with the new hourly candle close, we can confirm a swing high here. On USD JPY. Alright, I'm going to let price action play out here and prepare for the New York AM session. If you'd like to know more, visit us at OnTiltTrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional. We'll see you next time.